Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is in God's hands. You're in the big one's hands. Allow yourself to be molded to your next level, your transition, the things that don't serve you, certain attributes, certain attitudes that do not reflect the place that you're going and the power that you're going to be able to have. You have to be in a loving, strong, firm, positive frequency for all the things that's coming your way, because power, prosperity, that's in your future, that's in your present. Your energy, your emotions must match that. And then also, while you're in the best place in the world right now, ask the proper questions when you pray and meditation, going on your nature walks in nature, and then you listen. Ask how you can sustain, how you can maintain, how you can build from the momentum that you started with. You have the ear of Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ. You're in their hands. Take advantage. My trust in life is implicit. God's greater knowing and greatest love guides my heart and my choices. My faith is steady. I remain true to my light, and everything unfolds according to God's will, plan, and timing. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.